This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 295RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Sleeps 6, LP detector, microwave, water heater, TV, spare tire kit, Colorado detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 295RL is 8,794 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Whitehorse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.